Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama out here on a July afternoon. I'm showcasing a home that I've never shown before. This is the Briley home. We've added an X4 16-foot dormer at the front. We've got Brittany inside checking things out. We're going to kind of switch it up. We're going to go to the back half of the house actually after this. Here's the back door. We've added a patio door. This is a very nice simple floor plan with a smaller island that we have never seen before. I'm excited to show you that. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, this home has a side entrance, so if you wanted to add a garage, it would be easy to do. So we're coming into the utility room. We've added these utility cabinets here, washer dryer cabinets. This has been a question recently because you'll notice that one of the side has the adjustable shelving, the other side does not. That is because we want to keep one side open for the taller detergent. So that's what's going on here. We've got the main water shutoff and water shutoffs throughout. Coming down the hallway, we're going to find our water heater behind this door, the furnace behind this one. Remember, our appliances all come standard electric, but we do have the option to add them to gas. So here we've got our kitchen with this new island that we have never seen before. A very nice simple island, and it's nice to point out that we do have electrical running through every island that we ever install. We do have some nice storage on this side. This is a glacier quartzite countertop with some rounded edging. That's what we call crescent edging. The customer, Miss Cheryl, has decided to go with a hardwood white cabinet with microwave over the range, the smooth top electric range, and I think that's a great investment to make, and a side-by-side refrigerator. So it looks like she has added a package because, oops, there's the dishwasher over there. We've got a nice pantry on the side of the refrigerator for some storage, and over here, we're gonna find the plastic. That's gonna open up wide into the living room. I'm gonna take you over and show you the living room in just a second. But first, let's pop into a couple of the bathrooms. All right, here's the other side of the home. You'll see that we've prepared it for transportation. So we've got it covered in plastic, except we leave a couple of the places open while we're doing our final inspection. So gotta get underneath the flap here, guys. Now we're gonna see the master bath, and we've got a medicine cabinet there with a 3-bulb light strip above, extended vanity, a built-in pantry linen closet here, and we did the walk-in shower with the commode behind the door. We kept the same color scheme running through the bathroom. We got Nordic white on the floor. Let's check out bath 2. All right, headed into this side of the house, we're gonna see bath 2 right here. Got another little closet here. I'm sure that's a linen closet. And then we've got a bedroom over here. We kept lino in the bed 3. I think that was going to be a sewing room or a craft room for her. Let's go check out the other half of the house.
I know Maitline stuff.
All right, coming into the main living room, of course, we've got our packing materials here ready for the installer. What I love about this floor plan is there is a little bit of separation here going on, but check out this angled wall. We've seen this before, but I just love how this is right off of the living room, coming into the master bed. Excuse me, bed 2. Excuse me, this is bed 2. Coming in there. Brittany's hiding over in the master bedroom. Coming in hot. I'm coming around the corner. There she is.
The right word. Hello. Excuse my sweaty mustache.
She's sweating a little bit, huh? We're making her work today. Here's the master bed. We've got a walk-through closet, so you're going in one side and out the other. If you're like me and Brittany, we've got clothes stuffed so tight in there that you're not coming out the other side, so. But it's still nice to know it's available. This is our friend Cheryl's house. We are excited to ship this to her, and thanks for watching.